Today we show you ANENG's new smart multimeter. The product is equipped with a soft rubber protective cover, which feels comfortable, non-slip, and anti-fall. There are 4 colors to choose from. Booting requires a 9V battery as the power supply. The current gear is adjusted to 10A. Remember not to cut the wrong gear and pen jack when measuring the current. In the case of not knowing how much current, adjust the gear to the maximum. Measuring the current requires a series of lines like mine. Otherwise, the multimeter will be damaged. The screen backlight can be turned on for easier reading. You can see that the measurement results are very accurate. Switch to DC voltage gear. Remember to distinguish between positive and negative electrodes when measuring batteries. There is no problem with the 9V battery. Let's try again with the instrument. As you can see, the accuracy of this multimeter is very high. Next, measure the AC voltage. The general household AC voltage is about 220V. Triode measurements are only supported for NPN or PNP types. Just insert the pin into the triode test socket. The buzzer function provides fast on detection. I will touch both ends of the item with the pen. A beep indicates normal patency. With the diode function, you can quickly check the quality of LED lights. Just correspond to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. We use the instrument to test the resistance accuracy of the multimeter. It can be seen that it is consistent with the value of the instrument. The precision of the resistance is also quite high. In this way, various precise circuits can be measured and debugged.